Wear PPE at all times, or regret it later.
Regret it later? Sounds dramatic.
Whoa! Everyone's suited up like it's the end of the world.
But hey, I'm built different.
This won't be an issue for me.
You alright? That's near-death experience before lunch.
Yeah, I mean, barely.
See all that gear? It's not just for looks. It's your lifeline.
Okay, I get it now. That was too close.
6 months later.
From overconfident to safety champion, that's how we grow.
Turns out, safety gear is the real superpower.